Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today I'm going to share with you my mom's oatmeal cookies. I have very fond memories of these cookies. You can make them into oatmeal chocolate chip or oatmeal raisin cookies. They're chewy on the inside and crunchy on the outside. First you're going to need 3/4 cup shortening, 1 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 egg, 1/4 cup water, and I almost forgot 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that all together. At another bowl, you're going to sift together 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I remember sneaking some oatmeal raisin cookies from my mom. I don't even know how old I was. I was in feetsy jammies, like the kind that like button around the waist. Like it was like a 2-piece feetsy jammy. And I can't remember if I couldn't have any more cookies or if I couldn't have cookies because it was bedtime and they were for the next day. I don't remember. I just knew like, woman, I love your oatmeal raisin cookies and there's no way I'm not going to bed without getting one. So I remember stuffing, I'm not even sure how many, into the legs of my jammies oatmeal raisin cookies. And I walked to my bed full of crummy cookie jammies. Like I was determined to have my cookies. I was like, whatever ma, I'm having a cookie. These are the best. Add in 3 cups of oats. Now I'm going to divide the cookie dough evenly as best as I can to make oatmeal raisin and oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Just eyeball this. I probably added about 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And I think I added probably about 1/4 cup of raisins. Spoon out your cookie dough onto a greased cookie sheet. Make sure you grease your cookie sheet very well because they will stick to them. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. It all depends on your oven. You want to get them a little golden brown around the edges. And there you have it, my mom's oatmeal raisin and oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Seriously, the best. Thank you so much for watching. If you have an oatmeal raisin or an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie recipe that you love, please leave it down below. I would love to see how you do it. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you soon. Bye.